friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 4 of your class 5 English grammar. That is kinds of adverbs. You know what is adverb? An adverb is a word that describe the verb, जो एक describe करता है एक verb को अच्छे से and modify कर देता है. तो that is called adverb. Adverb are words that describe or modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It often tells us how, when, where, or what extent an action is happening. ये हमें बताता है कि कहाँ, कब और कहाँ तक एक action हो रहा है. So, in this chapter, we will learn about adverbs of degree, frequency, interrogation, reason, affirmation, and negation. What do you mean by adverb of degree? Adverb of degree क्या होता है? This is the kind of adverb. Adverb of degree tell us the degree of the extent to which something happened. कि कोई चीज कहाँ तक हुई है, किस degree तक हुई है. They answer the question how much or what degree, कि कहाँ, कितनी और किस degree तक. Read the following sentence. He really liked the song. उसको बहुत really सच में पसंद है. You are partly right. तुम कुछ हद तक लिमिटेड बता रही. You are तुम यहाँ तक right हो, तुम सही हो. My friend is quite well now. अब मेरा friend कुछ हद तक ठीक है. This shoes are too big for me. जो shoes है बहुत बड़े हैं मेरे लिए. This is very easy question. ये बहुत easy question है. These mangoes are almost ripe. जो mangoes है almost पूरे कुछ हद तक मतलब पूरी हद तक पके हुए हैं. Is above sentence the word almost, partly, quite, too, very rarely have been used as a adverb of degree. उस form ने किस way में use था? In words form ने adverb of degree की तरह use करा है. Now move to the next page. Here is the adverb of frequency. Frequency मतलब किस frequency तक हुआ है और वह कितनी बार होता है. Adverb which tell us how often or how frequently, कहाँ कितनी जल्दी और कितनी मतलब बहुत जल्दी something happens or is done are known as adverb of frequency. Like Aji always come late to school. वो हमेशा late आता है. Ronak often, frequently, often comes late to school. कभी कभी. Rashi sometimes come late to school. कभी कभी आती है sometimes. Often आता ही है कि ना नेहा never comes late to school और नेहा कभी भी late नहीं आती school. और here that were always, often, sometimes, never tell us how often or frequently something is done or happen. Remember, do not get confused with an adverb of time. Adverb of time or adverb of frequency से आपको confuse नहीं होना है. And adverb of time answer the question when. वो adverb of time बता देगी कब question जो होता है आपका when कब हुआ. और adverb of आपका frequency क्या बताए कि कितने how often कितनी बार हुआ. So now adverb of reason. An adverb of reason show why an action is performed कि वो few action हुआ है. Like read the following sentence. Tarun was ill. He could not therefore sit for the examination. तरुण बीमार था इसलिए वो एग्जामिनेशन के लिए नहीं बैठ पाया. तो रीजन आ गया ना, देखो वो बीमार था. Now this man helped the enemy. इस man ने help करी enemy की. Hence it is a traitor. So in the above sentence the word therefore and hence have been used as adverbs of reason की तरह use करा है. Therefore और hence को. Now let's talk about adverb of interrogation means question mark. Now the word that are used to ask question, जो verb use होती है किस लिए? Question पूछने के लिए words use होते हैं, उनको क्या कहते हैं? Adverbs of interrogation कहते हैं. Now read the following sentence. Who wrote this letter neatly? किसने पढ़ी letter neatly? When will you come? तुम कब आओगे? Third is where has father gone? कि father कहाँ चले गए? Who, when, where have been used as the adverb of interrogation. Now, adverb of affirmation and negation. A word used to affirm something is called adverb of affirmation. जो affirm कर रही थी कोई चीज कि कितनी हद तक. A word used to deny, जो deny कर देते, जो affirm means confirm कर देते, deny वाला मना कर देते, उसको adverb of negation. Deny वाला adverb of negation और affirm वाला adverb of affirmation. Read these sentences. This is surely a happy day for all of us. We have got what we wanted. फिर क्या आ गया आपका adverb of affirmation की surely आज अच्छा दिन है कि जो हमें चाहिए तो हमें सब मिल गया है. Vimal was ill. He could not therefore sit for the examination. Could not आ गया ना तो denial हो गया तो adverb of negation आ गया ये आपका. In sentence one, the word surely has been used to affirm the fact. A fact such an adverb is known as adverb of affirmation and not as used to for the negative of the verb. So couldn't sit, could not sit. Such an adverb is called adverb of negation. Some other adverbs of affirmation and negation are yes, no, not at all, yeah, hey, by all means, certainly. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.